Spy Ninjas, I know the perfect trick that will impress the Zorkini!
Zucchini? What?
Zorgini.
Zorgini.
Magician hacker, exactly. Here it is.
Wait, show us.
Ready? This toothpick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Concentrate on it.
Focusing on the toothpick.
Concentrating.
Whoa!
Where'd it go?
Dude!
What the heck?
Where is it?
Wait a minute.
Oh, ew.
Oh, Chad!
Zorgini's gonna love that so much, he's gonna show you how to disappear.
I want to be the magician for the Zorgini.
No, I want the zucchini.
Okay, guys, we have to decide who's the best Spy Ninja magician.
Me. All right, fine, let's do a challenge. Whoever's the best, they'll be the one who gets to show Zorgini the magic trick.
Okay, Chad, it better be good. We're gonna be rating you. Come out, Chad. Oh.
Whoa! Chad! The Chad. Are you guys ready for a show?
Chad the Chad.
Hey, Chad.
I can't hear you. I said, are you ready for a show? Now, can anybody give me $1 bill, please?
There's an admission fee? You haven't even done one trick yet.
We're not paying you.
Okay, fine. You're gonna be really sorry. Right here, I've got $1 bill. Let me fold it in half. Let me fold it again. Let me fold it one more time. And wait until you see what I'm doing right here. Check this out. Let me unfold this dollar bill. Let me unfold this dollar bill one more time. Let me unfold it one more time. And I've got a $20 bill. A $1 bill turned into a $20 bill.
Oh!
This could have been yours, ladies.
Oh! We could be millionaires thanks to this guy.
That was a magic trick, Daniel.
He's doing some type of tomfoolery, but I can't figure it out. Guys, comment down below if you know what he did.
Speaking of money, does anybody have a penny on them, perhaps?
No one has pennies nowadays, Chad.
I'm not a penny hoarder, Chad.
A penny what?
Hoarder.
Oh,
All right, fine. I need a volunteer. Hold your hand out, Daniel. Take a look. It's a penny.
what are you gonna do,
You know
Chad?
how I turn money into more money, right? Hold that hand right there, Daniel. Laboom, shazoom. Hey! It turned into a dime. You guys could have 10 times your money here. Now someone's got a penny for me. I think someone has a penny for me.
Are we supposed to act like it was really cool?
Yes, Regina, you should act like that's really cool.
What?
Okay.
You think you know what he did?
I think I have my suspicions. I think I do. Guys, if you saw what happened or you have suspicions, comment down below.
Yeah, I'll show you what happened, Regina. You have a really flat hand. This is gonna be really perfect.
Should you explain what's gonna happen?
I'm doing a little dance with my magical wand.
Okay.
You just be quiet and pay attention, Daniel. One,
This
two.
magician's mean.
I'm making money here, boy.
Make it rain already.
Let's
my
make it
goodness.
rain. Oh!
He shrunk it.
Oh my goodness! Congrats!
This is for me.
This is a poor investment, but it's so cute.
It's time to eat. Somebody grab me a spoon from the kitchen.
Spoon? Why does he want a spoon? Here you go.
Give me that. Come on up here, everybody. Stay right there. Stay right.
Oh.
Stay right here.
Why, you getting nervous?
I'm nervous, okay? Did you know I can do things with my mind? Why don't you stand up? Oh my gosh, do you see the spoon?
Oh my gosh. It's bending.
Whoa! He's bending the freaking spoon.
I gotta do it.
Oh! Let's turn it into a V.
Don't fart.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I bent it. Check it out.
Whoa!
Is that a fart?
You made me fart.
What was that? You see how I made the spoon bent like that? Now watch what I can make the Spy Ninjas do. Spy Ninjas at home. Take your phone, turn it this way. Underneath the video, if the subscribe link is red, click it and make it turn gray. And now you are a Spy Ninja. Amazing.
Whoa! Did it work?
It worked! Whoa! Our subscriber number's going up! Soon we will be at 9 million subscribers! I've got one final trick for the grand finale! I've got my ropes. I need 2 beautiful assistants up with me here. Daniel.
What?
You'll be the cameraman. Who of you has the stronger stomach muscles?
Oh. I think V does.
Really?
She only goes twice a week.
Where does she go? To the buffet?
To the toilet. That means her muscles are strong.
All right, you stay
Okay.
here. Hold on to these ropes, please. We each have 2 ropes. We're gonna tie a knot. We've got V tied into the ropes.
What?
Count of 3.
What's going on?
We're gonna pull as hard as we can.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
I don't want to hurt V.
You're gonna hurt her. Look at that.
And we're gonna just pull it, and the rope's gonna travel through her body.
No way.
Yeah, I think I did it right.
Oh.
She's telling him
Come on.
What if this goes wrong?
I did this when I was in 4th grade, so I'm pretty sure I still remember how to do it. Right on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Look at that. If any of you Spy Ninjas know how I did it, comment down below and I'll let you know if you're right.
Wow! Okay, that was the best trick ever. Wow!
Chad the Chad! Woo! Now I disappear. Daniel, you were supposed to show that.
Sorry. Do you think his performance was good enough to make those Organis say, "Welcome to my disappearing class"?
Let's see what the judges say.
I say 8.
8.51.
9.97.
I feel like one of us 3 girls, I can do a much better job than Chad.
I have some tricks to show you guys.
Come on, Regina!
Regina!
Oh, Regina! Wow! What is happening?
Whoa!
How did you do that?
Okay, are you ready for some magic? Okay, I will need a lovely assistant.
Oh, that's me.
I'm sorry.
Said lovely. Oh.
I'll do it.
I need the red safe. Put it on a tray for me. Perfect. Now I'm going to make the safe disappear.
Woo! We need this, Regina.
What is that?
It's a pillowcase.
Pillowcase. I've seen those before.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's the safe. Okay, I still see the safe. It's right there.
I need the audience members to say, Reggie Razzle Dazzle.
Reggie Razzle Dazzle!
It's happening.
What? Oh my gosh!
And I'm gonna make it disappear.
What?
Oh!
How did you do that?
V's laughing. I think she figured it out.
It's amazing!
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
It's that bad, huh? Because
It
it's
was
so good.
good.
She's crying because she thought it was so bad. She figured out how she did it.
Your assistant sucks, Regina!
Oh, I screwed it up. You're on your own now.
Next try.
I have this box right here. Come over here.
Close up magic.
See, it is an ordinary box. Open the box, will you?
It appears to be empty. There's nothing in it.
Nothing to see here. I'm gonna make something appear in here. Not just something, a chicken nugget.
What?
Ooh, this is a Regina trick.
And one of you lucky scoundrels make it to even eat the chicken nugget.
Wow.
Now we're talking.
Okay,
I saw that you closed the box.
close the box. Okay, I need the magic word. Reggie Razzle Dazzle.
Reggie Razzle Dazzle. It's frozen! I wanted to cook chicken nugget.
Don't you worry, put the chicken nugget back in.
Okay.
Reggie Razzle Dazzle.
No way! Is it real?
That's real.
Eat it.
It's hot and crispy.
No way! How can I order one of these?
Regina, can I get some honey mustard sauce on this?
No,
Can you make it appear out of the box?
no. And for my finale, I'll be using this rope. It is a single rope.
He's not dating anybody right now?
Oh, he's a single Pringle. Give me that rope. Now I'm going to cut the rope.
Oh my goodness.
There's going to be 2 of them now, so that he'll have a mate.
You have a partner.
He'll have a mate. Oh, I'll need an assistant for this.
An assistant.
I
Haha.
have cut them in two.
So there's 2 ropes now. He has a friend. I'm going to reconnect the rope.
Impossible. I chopped those babies in half. I felt it myself. It can't be done.
It can be done.
No, it's impossible. Oh. Wait a second. What? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
No way! No way!
Dude!
She reconnected it.
I cut it in half with the scissors. How did you do that?
Whoa!
I think I know what happened there.
Are you serious, Daniel? Oh, really?
What are you doing?
There's a couple Spy Ninjas, I bet, who know what happened.
No.
Leave a comment down below if you saw what she did.
I rate you a 6.
Daniel!
I rate you 8.9.
Woo!
See, that's not high enough. Her tricks were so good, she deserves so much higher than that. 8.91. Way higher score.
Okay.
Daniel, you think you can do better though? Psh.
If we gotta show the Zorgini hacker a magic trick, he's gonna wanna see one from me.
I saw you as an assistant, though.
Oh! I can't hear you!
It is I, Gizmosis.
Gizmosis!
You guys deserve the best magic trick in all of Las Vegas. Coming from your boy.
Your boy, Golden Elvis.
As you can see, I have a little piece of red fabric here, huh? Watch this.
Okay, I'm ready.
Into the palm of my hand it goes. Keep your eyes on it, ready? Here we go. Okay. Yeah. What do you think?
That was great.
That's amazing! How'd you do that, Osmosis?
Gizmosis?
Gizmosis?
For my next trick, the Gizmosis, we'll put this bottle cap through this bottle.
What?
Oh yeah, guys.
Oh no, you ain't gonna do that. That's a solid bottle. Nothing going through that glass.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! It's in there!
It's really in there.
How'd you pass it through the bottle like that?
The bottom's fake, right?
No!
There's no holes, there's no trap doors, nothing. This is a real bottle.
For my grand finale, in front of me I have 4 cups and a little friend.
A bunny?
A really sharp cactus.
Do not touch that.
I'm touching it from the bottom. It's not sharp down there, but up here, that's
Don't touch it.
I won't. Do not try this at home, guys. I am a trained professional. I am going to put the cactus into this cup. Goodbye, cactus.
Goodbye. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. I'm keeping an eye on you.
I need a volunteer to rearrange the cups. V, rearrange the cups. I am not going to look. You watch me. Make sure I'm not looking.
Okay, I'll watch Daniel.
I'm so confused.
I'm looking.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
I
Spy
got it.
Ninjas.
He didn't look. I watched him.
Spy Ninjas, vote down below. Is it number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
I will now take my hand and crush every cup.
No, Daniel.
Besides the cactus.
Too dangerous, Daniel.
Cactus really hurts.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Oh my gosh, no.
3.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Okay, I have a good feeling about this one.
God.
Daniel.
Maybe this one.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe.
1,
Dude.
2, 3.
Oh my god, dude. It's crazy.
3, 2, 1.
Daniel, are you okay? Let me see your hand. Let me see your
My
hand.
hand!
Let me see your hand.
Ow! Do you see that? Ow!
Oh my gosh, dude,
Jeez.
you totally crushed it.
Ow!
Oh, dude.
Ow! Let me play this trick on me.
No.
What?
Empty.
Haha! That's what I meant to do!
Why is there tears coming out of your eyes then?
Oh.
Kind of sweating a little bit, Daniel.
Does somebody have a band-aid?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give you a double L for. Oh, just kidding. 7.7.
Also gonna have to give you an L. Oh, sorry, 7.
Oh, did I steal your joke?
Oh, shoot! Wait, is this a 7?
I'm gonna give you a 9.11 because that's the number you gotta call if you do that trick at home.
I get it. 911. Call the doctor.
That's pretty good.
V, what's taking you so long? Come out, girl.
Come on, V!
Go B!
Okay, fine. Hit the light.
Hit the. Oh, whoa.
What the heck?
Oh boy.
What is going on?
Was my assistant?
Who's your assistant?
What do you mean what's going on?
What do you got in your leg?
What is that?
It is I, Violet Bazaar, and my assistant, McGruff. I'm a dragon. Got my wings, got my tail. Alright, audience, who likes snacks here?
Me.
Who likes Oreos?
Me!
I come bearing treats for the Spy Ninjas. Taking out an ordinary Oreo here.
Yes.
Chad, don't smile.
I'm just so happy. I love Oreos so much. I can't wait to eat one. Especially when you dip it in milk.
I just eat it raw, you guys, because I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just like this. Isn't that amazing? Wasn't
I just swallowed it so fast and started talking. That was delicious. No swallowing needed.
headbutted Chad.
Out of my ear. That hurt.
I'm sorry. How many?
Oh, don't touch it.
Eat it raw, guys.
I'm getting thirsty. I mean, hungry eating that. Yeah, why should you eat that?
Have you ever been like in bed, like eating Oreos, and you're like, oh, I'm out. I wish I can just make it reappear again because you don't want to walk down stairs and
true.
going back. I'm just gonna make this reappear, just like this.
Whoa! I saw you take a bite out of that though.
Is that a real Oreo?
It's a real Oreo.
Touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Let me see it.
Okay, yeah.
Let me have a bite of this.
Doesn't that taste good? Now
Make it
reappear.
It's back. Look at that.
No.
Came back.
Boo.
Boo.
B did it better. B.
And for my next trick, I'm gonna need an assistant. That's not McGruff. Here, Chad, blow this up. It's just a regular balloon.
I gotta do work. Fine, I'll do it. I gotta do everything around here.
Whatever. Just keep blowing.
Blow,
Just,
boy.
Come on. Have you ever seen him do the laundry? No. Okay, just a little bit bigger. That's good. Yes, it's just a normal balloon.
It's a balloon.
What is this, you guys?
The big old needle.
That's right, it's a big old needle. It's sharp.
Stay back.
Don't try this at home, you guys. It can get dangerous. Violet Bazaar, she's gonna poke this all the way through the balloon.
Go pop.
It's gonna pop, B.
No,
I don't
it
like
won't.
loud noises.
Balloons always pop.
Yeah, for normal people, not for Violet Bazaar.
I don't like balloons popping.
It's gonna pop. It's gonna be
It's
loud.
gonna be loud.
Okay, all right, ready?
Yeah.
What?
It's going through.
Dude, it's going through.
It's going through.
How is that possible?
Do you see it?
No way, dude. No way. How is it not popping?
It's gonna come out the other side.
It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. What?
Oh! What the heck?
That's crazy.
You can touch it and everything.
Wait,
How is it still inflated?
how did you do that? It's really sharp.
What?
Dude! It's a
You
fake
guys.
unpoppable balloon.
No. It's a normal balloon, you guys. I'm gonna pop it.
What?
Oh! It was a normal balloon.
Violet Bazaar. Violet Bazaar.
Encore. Okay, I'll just chant by myself. It's cool.
Oh.
Encore.
For my finale, I will do this. I can take a card and have it travel through solid glass.
I'll be impressed with that.
Solid glass, Chad.
See it when I believe it.
So now I need a card. Anybody got any playing cards? Look around, you guys. Look over there.
What?
Oh, wow. Okay, this is behind the glass.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna knock 3 times.
Okay.
And it's gonna come out.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
What?
It's really there? Is there a hole in the glass? How did it travel through there?
What the heck? Are you a wizard?
No, I'm Violet Bazaar!
Violet Bazaar. I think you're the one who should go to the Zorgini magic hacker.
I agree.
Really?
You're the best magician there is.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
awesome.
So let's go to the park!
All right, it'll be daylight by the time we get there. Woo!
We made it. See the magician around here anywhere?
I do. That guy right
The
there.
red coat. Are you ready, V?
See, it's all up to you, okay?
I'm a little nervous.
Flap your wings.
You're the best magician here.
Got this, girl,
Remember,
okay?
confidence. Should we all do a hair flip?
Hair flip.
Oh.
I'm gonna be listening to you with the Spy Ninja noise enhancer, just in case anything goes wrong.
But we gotta make sure that he doesn't recognize us as spy ninjas. I don't think he really knows the spy ninjas very well.
If you can get into class, we can learn how to disappear.
Violet Bazaar, here I come.
Violet Bazaar.